Good morning, class 11D. Welcome back. Those who have connected online, we will now discuss the limitations of a departmental or government undertaking, and just give the heading limitations of departmental undertaking. Under public enterprises, global enterprises आपको पढ़नी ही नहीं है इस चैप्टर, it's not there in your syllabus. Public enterprises, you remember a PDF was shared with you people earlier when the revised syllabus was declared from the board. Now this time it is for 11th and 12th board. Class 11th के लिए भी they are following the same pattern as they will follow for class 12 boards. So all the syllabus which is cancelled is strictly cancelled. Neither we discuss it here, nor it is going to be there in your exam. Now because it is an objective type exam, it is strictly on the basis of your syllabus. जो syllabus में है वो ही है और जो नहीं है वो बिल्कुल नहीं, उसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज उसमें से क्वेश्चंस ना तो आपको एग्जाम स्कूल के एग्जाम्स में मिलेंगे एंड होपफुली नॉट इन द कमिंग बोर्ड एग्जाम्स एज वेल. यू विल बी हैविंग योर हाफ ईयरलीज ऑल्सो. स्कूल वाले हाफ ईयरलीज भी होंगे आपके. सो जस्ट मेक श्योर एज सून एज वी गेट मोर डिटेल्स, बिकॉज फादर हैज ऑल्सो टोल्ड अस अबाउट योर हाफ ईयरलीज. एज सून एज वी आर गोइंग टू गेट इट, वी आर गोइंग टू इन्फॉर्म. But please make sure half yearly syllabus includes 50% of your syllabus. So please buck up if there are things which you have not started up as yet. Make sure half yearly में पूरा 50% syllabus जो as per boards 50% है. We will try to cover all of it. Okay. First one, lack of flexibility. The limitation, the moment I turn towards the board, I see there are some who start talking. Get up from there and sit on the last bench. Sarvati Anshula. Shift in between se mat jaओ. Alright, so the first limitation includes lack of flexibility. They don't have self-decision making. The undertakings or the departmental undertakings have lesser flexibility. The departmental undertakings have lesser flexibility when it comes to decision making due to lack of autonomy. There is a term called autonomy. Due to lack of autonomy. Remember I discussed this term with you earlier also. Autonomous institution. What is an autonomous institution? I work under you but I take my own decisions. But when it comes to departmental undertakings, they don't have this autonomy system. They have to ask central government for all the decisions that are to be made in the department. For example, whether to start Tejas Rail or to stop it, whether to get back to the general quotas or the general wagons of the railways or not, decided by the central government. If the carrier trains have to be made into use or not, it is to be decided by the central government. Where to put all those railway tracks or to remove them or to construct bridges for the railway means whatever decision making is regarded for railways, the railway minister has to put it up into the parliament, it has to be discussed, and then the central government is going to make decisions. So there is lack of flexibility. वो खुद से अपने डिपार्टमेंट के लिए कोई डिसीजन मेकिंग नहीं कर सकते. They have to ask from the central government for every decision that they have to take. So first limitation is there is lack of flexibility. Now what happens with not being flexible? There are many people who are in direct association with the department. They know more ins and outs of the department. Now when somebody else is making decision who is not directly associated, he does not know what are the practical difficulties. तुम क्या जानो हमारे डिपार्टमेंट में क्या हो रहा है और तुम डिसाइड करोगे. So this is how it is a little less practical to manage with their decisions. Next limitation includes delaying decision making. Now this is in connection to this. Delay in decision making. Since any decision taking place in a departmental undertaking, any decision taking place in a departmental undertaking has to undergo a long process, in the bracket you can write, have to undergo a long process, in the bracket you can write all the decisions are taken by the central government. So हर डिपार्टमेंट को सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से अप्रूवल लेना पड़ता है. Have to undergo a long process, have to take permission from the central government. Therefore, there is delay in decision making. Therefore, there is delay in decision making. And sometimes you have to write in bracket or taking decision making from the central government. And sometimes the time taken in this process, and sometimes the time taken, or you can say the time wasted in this process, leads to greater damage to the department. Bureaucracy and conservative approach. Third point is bureaucracy and conservative approach. Check out the spelling properly. Bureaucracy and conservative approach. The departmental undertakings are sometimes, you can just write DU, departmental undertakings. The departmental undertakings sometimes are restricted from taking decisions on risky ventures. Risky, R-I-S-K-Y, risky ventures. Ventures means any new business take up. Any new business idea is a venture. कोई एक नई business activity is a new venture. So from taking any new business venture, risky new business venture, and therefore a conservative approach exists. Next point is red tapeism. Have you ever seen न्यूज़पेपर्स, गवर्नमेंट पेपर्स जिनको एक रेड टेप से या रेड फाइल के ऊपर एक रेड कलर का कपड़े का फ्लैप होता है जिससे बांधते हैं, वहाँ से ये टर्म निकाला है रेड टेपिज्म. Means whatever government work is there, it involves so many processes, so many steps and so many papers, सरकारी दस्तावेज, right? Many of them are useless. They simply contain very irrelevant information sometimes, but because since it is a process, you have to follow it. So this is again a limitation of a undertaking, departmental undertaking. So under red tapeism you write the works of departmental undertakings. Involve a lot of paperwork, which increases the steps or process, which increases the steps or process of the works undertaken by these departments. Therefore, red tapeism exists. Therefore, red tapeism exists. You see, sometimes in practical scenario also they say मेरी फाइल बस खाली इस सरकारी टेबल से उस सरकारी टेबल तक जा रही है और उसके आगे कुछ हो नहीं रहा. What is this? This is because of red tapeism. Next is undue government interference. When it is my organization, I have to interfere in all the matters. Government will say ये government enterprise है और इसमें मुझसे पूछे बगैर तो कुछ भी नहीं होगा. However, when we ask everything from the government, there is undue interference. Next point is right, undue interference. Undue interference of the government. There is undue interference of the government means the government interferes in the decision making of these departments. The government interferes with the decision making of these departments in the bracket you write sometimes when it is not required also. जब नहीं भी चाहिए होता है तब भी उनका इंटरफेरेंस रहता है. Sometimes when it is not required also. And the last point is indifferent to consumers' needs. Indifferent to consumers' needs. Now they are bothered about their department, they are bothered about their profits, and they are less indifferent and they are more indifferent to the consumers' needs. Indifferent means कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना. They are not bothered about the consumers' needs. So you can write sometimes they do not provide adequate services. Sometimes they do not provide adequate services to the consumers because they are bound by inflexible government policies. They are bound by inflexible government policies. Government हमें allow ही नहीं करती है. I want to help you, but the government is not allowing me at all. In this case, they become indifferent to consumers' needs. Who are the consumers? The people of the country. So those government organizations, they are bothered only about the government. They are bothered about themselves only, and very less of them are bothered about us. They are not there for us. They are there for themselves only. So they are indifferent to consumers' needs. Sometimes you see, for example, if you take an example of a private bank, they are ready at your service, they are ready at your doorsteps. You tell ICICI, I want to open a bank account. They will come home, they will say you good evening sir, good evening madam, and they will do all the formalities. You go and open a bank account in a Sarkari bank. They will keep on telling you, please go to counter 2. Not done, go to counter 5. I am sorry, it was a wrong counter, please go to counter 12. And you will keep on revolving around and there. So they are indifferent to consumers' needs. Now I am not saying it's for every government organization, but this too happens. For example, if there is a very important registered post which is lost, no guarantee that the Indian Post will search it for you. हो गया तो हो गया, I am sorry. But if it is through some private post or some courier services, it is insured, they will pay you the money, they will reimburse, हमसे नुकसान हुआ, I am sorry, I will pay you the amount. So they are as per your needs. But these government organizations, they are indifferent to consumers' needs most of the time. I would not not say every time, but most of the time. So this is how we concluded the first topic, departmental undertaking. Their demerits or limitations include there is lack of flexibility, they are not autonomous, there is no autonomy. All the decisions they have to ask from the government and then they have to be implemented. This becomes a long, this calls it for a long process. They keep on asking and the process keep on delaying, not for days, for years sometimes. Not, the project is not yet approved. Now they have dug the road and they have left it like that, right? There is no autonomy. Even if I want to make it, if I want to smoothen up the road, not in my hands. When sir will decide, when I will do, sir is not bothered to be deciding this. Next is delay in decision making. This is in connection to the first point. Since there is inflexibility of roads, the government has to take decisions for everything. और उनके पास तो करने के लिए कितना सारा काम होता है. So every individual task is delayed ultimately. Then bureaucracy exists, conservative approach exists. Although it is called as a public department, जनता की सेवा के लिए होता है, but it is led by the bureaucrats only, a specific group of people जिनकी मोनोपोली exist करती है और वो इस पावर में आ जाते हैं, वही सारे डिसीजंस लेते हैं और किसी करेक्ट आदमी को कुछ बोलने का मौका ही नहीं देते. नेक्स्ट इज there is red tapeism. There is a lot of paperwork. They will have to ask for every work. They will have to ask the bureaucrats who are not in a mood to perform, and that is how there is red tapeism. There is delay. There is a lot of paperwork, and this is how the people have to suffer. Next is undue interference of the government. It is a government enterprise. You cannot restrict a government from interfering, right? For example, whatever I say is of lesser importance as compared to whatever your class teachers gives, because she is a class teacher, you will have to follow what ma'am will say, right? And vice versa, what I say, those people, they have to follow that. So because it is a government enterprise, there is undue interference of the government, and in case there are some people who are not interested in making benefit of the people, they will keep on delaying the benefit. Next is indifferent to consumers' needs, and with all this, they are bothered only about themselves. What is all this telling you? All this is telling they are bothered only about their needs. So they are indifferent to the needs of the people of the country. और जनता बिचारी, it will continue to be into problems which they are facing. So with this we will conclude this point. If there is anybody who wishes to ask anything, you can ask me now. All those who are connected online, were you able to understand? If there is anybody who wishes to ask anything, you can ask now. And if there is anybody who is offline, if you wish to ask anything, it is your choice. If you want, you can ask me anything.